Damn, y'all. Look at this. The tire browning is back. Can you believe that? Damn. I thought I cleaned these things for good. Look at that film. Shit's crazy, man. Wow. I should do a video on these Renegade tires. Other than these browning, man, I really do like them. They're very quiet. They look very attractive. Look, I got the snake side here because I'm rolling on these snakes and I'm chopping them up with the blades and they bleeding to death. On the inside, it's a different style. It looks like, yeah, it looks like something you've already seen before 100 times. But yeah, man, look at that. The browning is back, man.